On my way to Vassfjellet, Vass Mountain Park, first time this season. Okay, hello, me again, Niels here in the mountains of Vassfjellet in Trondheim. Snow park for ski and snowboarding. Here is the gondolier to the middle section, and then you can go with an anchor course further up and yeah, just use and enjoy the free riding and slopes, and snow area is really nice to be here. The weather should be even more nicer, but what can we do? It's supposed to be more sun, but it is like it is. The first ride for this season. Yeah, I just will check out and try what's going on, what's happening. I didn't was on the board for some years, so here's my lady. She's was really dusty when I get her some days ago, and prepared her and so on, and I will see. We take some rides, and it will be nice. Yeah, so hang loose and chill out. We see you later. What up? So here's an off-piste slope. It was like powder in the forest, but now there are driven so many slopes and the last days. But what I actually wanted to show was the river, or what you call it. This was like I almost drove through it, so it will be not so cool for the board and for me to get wet, and yeah, it was like good hidden under the snow here. So yeah, this is the slope for the normal use, and like behind in the forest is like the powdery part and more free riding. So yeah, I just wanted to make a little check and a little update. So before I get rid of all the equipment here, it's too much. I found out it's too heavy to carry with me and have fun at the same time. Driving snowboard, finished from here, and then I will just go through with this action camera and continue the day. So peace out, thank you. So just glimpsed the sun. There was a full sunshine on me, but what can I do? That's how it is. I will see how it goes. I never rode this slope, so it's new for me. So we will see, and off we go. Geht's runter.